Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astro Jyoti Healing. In today's video, we are going to see position of Sun or placement of Sun in the sign of Gemini. So if you have Sun placed in the sign of Gemini, this video is for you. This video also applies to the transit of Sun through the sign of Gemini, and that is happening right now. Gemini is a dual sign. Gemini is ruled by planet Mercury. Planet Mercury and Sun, they are neutral towards each other. However, they can work really well because Sun is about your soul. Sun is about yourself, your ego, your image, and Mercury is about description, analysis, detailing, or communications in general. So when Sun is placed in the sign of Gemini, these two things really work well. People with this placement usually are in the fields of communications. Maybe it is communications engineering or it is communications in general. They like to talk about themselves, they like to talk about the things that are associated with this placement of Sun. Gemini has nakshatras that are Mruga and Punarvasu as well as Aradra. Sign Gemini has nakshatras Mruga, Aradra and Punarvasu, out of which, except Aradra, Sun can do really well in rest of the two nakshatras. Because Aradra is ruled by Rahu, Sun will always face issues in being in nakshatra of Aradra. There will be some storms coming, and people with this placement could be working in the fields of weather control, climate related things, or issues related to environment. However, for rest of the two nakshatras, Mruga is ruled by Mars and Punarvasu is ruled by Jupiter. Sun works very well with these two planets, and hence the placement of Sun in these two nakshatras is an easy one to handle. The more challenges are faced if Sun is in Aradra. If somebody has Sun in the sign of Gemini, it means they like to communicate about, if it is in the first house, they will communicate about themselves, their physical status, their physical issues, their social structure, their place in the society, or they will talk about their spouse. If somebody has this Sun in Gemini placed in the second house, then they will talk about their earnings. The communications will be channeled depending planning, organization, execution related to the placement of Sun. The first house will communicate about themselves, and you can see slight pride or ego or ability about how great I did it when Sun is placed in a sign of Gemini. Gemini is a dual sign, so people with Sun in Gemini can express mutually opposite views. They are usually people who can work very well in teams. They need to work in teams to perform better, or at least in the teams of two. They are usually good at any two things professionally as well as a hobby. They are more concerned about awards, rewards and monetary gains. Whenever Surya is placed in the sign of Gemini or Mithun Rashi, it becomes the bright center. About what? It becomes the bright center about commerce and communications. If this Sun is placed in the 8th house in Gemini, then people will be talking about inheritance, insurance, research, or they could be talking about discovering through secrets. If this Sun is placed in the 9th house, they will be talking about religion, higher education, long distance travel, and they would organize their time, they will plan and do the detailed execution of the things related to the house placement. Whatever sign sun is placed in, you are genius at that. This is the bottom line. And sun's placement in the sign of Gemini makes you a genius communicator. You may be communicating related to the things associated with that house and that nakshatra. For example, somebody has sun in Punarvasu. They will like to talk about how somebody can bounce back after a big debacle, how somebody can bounce back after filing bankruptcy, or they can be always talking about their goals. If you have sun in Aradhara, then you can talk about how you weathered all the storms and how you faced all the hurdles and still came out as a winner. If you have sun placed in a sign of Mrigashira, then you can talk about different fragrances, how you have great intuition about some danger. You can talk about how speedily you can do things, or you can talk about something that seeks your people's attention in this portfolio. Usually this is a nice placement for someone who is working in the communications field. Unless this Gemini sign is placed in 6th, 8th and 12th house in your horoscope, you should be doing good. However, with the placement of sun in 6th, 8th and 12th, people do find some hurdles, some obstacles which are more dominant in the time frame or dasha of Surya. In Mithun Rashi, Surya acquires Buddha-like communication ability. Surya can be detailed communicator, Surya can be to the point critic or to the point analyst, or Surya can be great planner. You can find people in the news and entertainment, you can find people in mass media, you can find people in social media, or you can find people in planning, organization or executive related to these fields. Commerce and communications will be the goal for this placement. Here is one more thing usually astrologers notice. Mithuna is a coupling, it means two. Sometimes Surya's placement, if it is related to the 4th house or a 4th lord in the sign of Gemini, denotes that native has been brought up by two mothers. Here two mothers doesn't literally mean your biological mother is going to die and somebody else is going to bring you up. However, it can mean two sisters, two females were actively working in caring for you or nurturing for you. It could be your grandmother, it could be your maternal aunt, or it could be somebody at a daycare who devoted the time for you. Usually this is a good placement in terms of commerce, communications and seeking attention. If you want to know if you have Surya placed in the sign of Gemini, you can send an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com. Please like and comment if you know you have Gemini sun and you have some experience to share. The conjunction, the aspect of other planet will change this outcome. However, it will just change the color of that outcome. The theme will remain the same. Please like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Shubham Bhavatu. Namaste. Thank you.